What's up, everyone? Today I want to tell you about a company called LXT AI that gives you the opportunity to work from anywhere in the world, requires no experience, no degree, and pays you weekly. So if you've heard of LXT AI or you've worked for them before, then definitely drop a comment and share with the rest of the community what your experience was. So if you're looking for a remote job, ways to make some extra money online, or just some personal finance tips, then you're in the right place. So let's go. So first, what is LXT AI? So LXT is an emerging leader in AI training, or what's called machine learning. And basically they use data to power intelligent technology for global organizations like Google or Apple or other companies that are starting their own AI systems. As you probably already are aware right now, AI is an industry that is growing and growing and growing, especially right now with ChatGPT or other chatbots. AI is an industry that is not going away and is only going to grow. But what's not talked about enough is that for AI to do what it does, it actually needs what's called human insight. So it actually needs people working in the background. So that's where LXT AI comes in, and that's where you come in. So LXT provides data collection and annotation solutions to fuel those AI projects. And they also provide crowdsourcing. So they need humans to do that data collection and the annotation. And so they provide an opportunity for you to do this work from anywhere in the world, and you can get paid weekly for it. So LXT is a legit company that's been around since 2010, and they're headquartered in Toronto, Canada. And they serve customers in North America, Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. So with that intro out of the way, let's talk about the jobs itself. So you can see already, if you go on their website and you click on jobs, you'll see that they have flexible work, weekly payments, and rapid growth. You also see that they say that you can work from anywhere and you can even grow your skills in this industry. Some other things that they highlight is that the job is flexible. You can work from anywhere and set your own hours. Also, they're dedicated to paying you fairly wherever you live in the world without exception. They even provide you with support, and they allow you the opportunity to develop your skills so that you can use it in other machine learning or AI training jobs. Now let's talk about how you sign up. It couldn't be any easier. Again, you go to their website, you click on jobs, and you complete this short questionnaire, and you'll be considered for future projects, which include data annotation, collection, and transcription. So you just put your name, your email, and also they like to see if you have a Upwork profile link, the country that you're located in. Again, this is a long list of countries. You can be located in anywhere in the world. You should select your language, secondary language, your level of education, and if you have any linguistics qualifications. And then from then on, you just hit submit. It's as simple as that. So definitely very easy to sign up. Now you're probably wondering, well, how much do these jobs pay? I did my best to do some digging. There isn't a whole lot of information about the pay rate, but I did find this screenshot of an email from LXT.ai that they send out where they wanted just photos of pickup trucks in the US and Canada. And they were using that information to help enhance the AI software for car damage assessment. So just really quickly, after looking this over, if you go down here, they were paying $3 for 30-second videos, and they said that people could expect to make around $45 to $60 an hour for just each video they send. So I don't know if they're still doing these type of projects, but I just wanted to share that with you just so that you get a sense of what kind of jobs that you might be doing and how easy they are and how much you could possibly earn. So I think this is definitely an opportunity for you to check out. You have more to gain than you have to lose. And this is a way to start working in machine learning and AI training, which is not going anywhere. It's only going to continue to grow. So if you have watched my other videos about companies like TELUS International or Appen, then you'll definitely want to check out LXT AI. And if you haven't watched those videos, then definitely do. They're on my channel. There's really great content, and it shows you exactly how to go and make some money online from the comfort of your couch. And the last thing I'll share is, once again, AI training and machine learning is an industry that's only going to continue to grow. So it's a great place to look for a remote job. And if you are looking for a remote job, then definitely check out Flex Jobs. It's a website that I've mentioned before, and I've gotten some really good feedback about it. It's the leading website to find vetted, flexible jobs, either to have a full-time income or to make some extra money on the side. So definitely check them out. And you can just search for AI training or machine learning, and you have all these positions that show up. So definitely check out Flex Jobs. So I have a link in the description for Flex Jobs that you can use to find your next remote job. So definitely check that out, and it'll save you a couple of bucks as well. And if you enjoy this content and you want some other great ways to make some extra money, then definitely hit the like button. That's all you got to do. It really goes a long way and really helps the channel grow. And definitely subscribe if you haven't either.